Here's number 3 in the lyric essay series, the prose poem. Prose poetry speaks to the heart rather than the head. It is about what is possible, not necessarily what has already occurred. But more importantly, with poetry, the idea is that you focus on images and bursts to create pictures and feelings and emotions and realizations and knowledge. It doesn't have to appear in purely sentence format. It can be fractured. It can be fractured. It can be fractions. It can be parts of whole ideas. You may have a line of poetry rather than a sentence. You may have a stanza of ideas rather than a paragraph. Sorry for my use of the language. The idea is that you can make your writing poetic. It doesn't have to be poetry. It can be poetic, though. You can take the idea of images, you can take the idea of illusion and metaphor, you can take the idea of the power of brief explosions of words. To coin the phrase of Ezra Pound, renowned, infamous, and famous poet of the 20th century, make it new. The idea with anything poetic is to take what we understand but totally shift it so that it can become new via the words that you choose to express that thing. So it speaks more to the heart than to the mind, I imagine. That's how I feel about poetry. Of course, it makes you think, but it makes you feel more than anything else.